You subscribe to this channel and you get 2 recipes every week. Healthy, easy, delicious recipes. But there's another reason to subscribe. You know, when you're on a kind of a diet where you're eating vegan or almost vegan food and healthy food, there's a lot of things you can't eat. So that it kind of leaves you with less of a variety of foods, and that makes it very difficult to stay on these kind of diets. In this channel, I deal with a lot of interesting new kind of foods and recipes, stuff like that. So it makes your food a little more interesting and helps you to continue to eat healthy. Today is a perfect example of that. So please subscribe, get your free recipes, 2 of them a week, and a lot of them is going to be really interesting. You're going to love it. Now, I live in the New York area, and I believe, and it's a discussion to have, but I believe that we have the best bagels in the world right here in New York. So, what are you going to have on a bagel? Some nice lox, a little bit of cream cheese if you want, or you can have vegan cream cheese. It's okay. A little bit of dill, a little bit of scallion, a little bit of red onion, whatever you like. But that lox is good, rich, delicious. But if you're vegan or even almost vegan, you may not want to have that lox. Okay, so I'm making a lox today from carrot. Why carrot? The texture works and the color works. So carrot. The other great reason to make this, look, some people don't live in New York. I don't know these people. But introduce yourself. Leave a comment on the bottom. But some people don't live in New York, so they don't have access to these bagels. So if you take a bagel from a supermarket and you use something like the recipe today, you can make a very nice bagel sandwich for yourself from a non-New York bagel. Check it out. So we're going to need to soften up these carrots to the point that it has the texture of lox. We're also going to need to add salt to the point that it has that saltiness of lox. So here's what we're going to do. I have here about two pounds of carrots. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in this casserole dish a nice layer of salt. I'd say a good 1.5 cups of salt. I wash these carrots, they're nice and clean. And I cut the ends off and I can fit them right in there. Like push them into the salt a little bit. So you see there's a little salt in between them and they're nestled in the salt. And then I want to cover them with salt. Okay, so you see it's completely covered with salt. And now I'm going to put it in an oven. I'm putting this in a 375-degree oven for 1.5 hours. I'm going to go take a nap. I'll see you in 1.5 hours. Okay, so I took the carrots out of the oven after 1.5 hours. And now I have to get these carrots out of the salt. And what I want to do is just kind of wipe the salt off of these carrots. While these carrots are still warm, I want to cut them. Just cut them on a very deep bias. Now I just want to marinate, so I have this like container. It's a simple container. This is going to be my marinade, okay? And in here I have 2 teaspoons of liquid smoke. I have a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of gin. And use good gin. This is a pretty good gin. So use good gin because you're going to taste this. So don't use something that's not pleasing. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar. And what I'm going to do with this is just brush it over the carrots. Then I'm going to turn the carrots over. And I'm going to brush it again. I have here a bunch of dill. It's been washed, cleaned, very nice. And I want to divide this into 4 parts. Divide this in half. Divide each half in half. And the reason why I do this is because I want to put some dill on the bottom, like that. Then I want to take about 1/3 of the carrots and put them right on top of the dill. Then I want to take the second bunch of dill I have and put that on top of the carrots and leave them in the dill in big pieces. And put that second row of carrots. 3rd bunch of dill, like that. And my last of my carrots. Then I have 1 more bunch of dill here. I'm going to put that on top. And then I'm going to take a piece of plastic and put it so that it touches the carrots. Put it inside like that so it touches the carrots. And then I'm going to cover this real good. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up nice and tight. And then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 days. And you know what's in 2 days? Sunday. And Sunday is going to be a great day to get a bagel, either cream cheese or vegan cream cheese, and some Carrot Lox. I'll see you in 2 days. Well, check this out. Hey, I just took this out of the refrigerator. Absolutely fantastic. Smells delicious. Taste? It's got a nice, smoked, little sweet, great texture, lox flavor. Ooh, that's good. Check this out. I got everything here. I got the bagel. I got sliced tomato, sliced red onion. Got the lox. Beautiful. Here's a little cream cheese. Some vegan cream cheese. Wonderful. Hey, this is going to be a great breakfast. Could be a brunch, a lunch, or even a dinner. Wonderful. Hey, if you like this recipe, you got to check out my avocado toast. Absolutely delicious. I'll see you there.